Think about the last time you laughed at something. Maybe someone tripped or said something awkward. Why do we laugh at these moments of pain or embarrassment? There are a few classic explanations. First, superiority theory. We laugh because we feel a sense of superiority. Think about prank videos. The audience knows what's going on, but the person being pranked doesn't. We laugh because we are in a position of knowledge and control, while the other person is not. In a way, we are enjoying the fact that we are not the one being fooled. Second, release theory. Laughter helps us release tension. Imagine a quiet dinner. Everyone is sitting there, and suddenly someone knocks over a glass of water. The room goes silent, it's awkward. Then someone says, well, at least it wasn't expensive wine. People laugh, not because it's hilarious, but because the tension is gone. Third, incongruity theory. We laugh when expectations are broken. A classic joke works by setting something up and then surprising you. Humor happens when reality doesn't match what we expect. So at a personal level, laughter helps us deal with awkward, painful, or unexpected moments. But laughter isn't just personal. It can also reveal something about the world we live in.
When we move from everyday life to society, humor starts to play a different role. Take shows like Saturday Night Live. They make fun of politicians by exaggerating their behavior, turning serious issues into something people can laugh at. And that's important because humor lowers our defenses. When criticism is delivered as a joke, people are more willing to listen. Instead of feeling attacked, the audience laughs and at the same time absorbs the message. We see a similar pattern with figures like Jon Stewart. He used comedy to talk about media bias, government mistakes, and political absurdities. By framing serious issues as entertainment, he made people engage with resistance. In this way, comedy can challenge power safely. It's often more effective than direct confrontation because it avoids immediate backlash. People are laughing, but they're also thinking. So humor becomes one kind of bridge. It makes difficult truths easier to approach, easier to understand, and easier to remember. But here's the tension. Just because we laugh at these truths, does that mean we are actually doing something about them?
After watching a political satire or a comedy clip about social issues, we often feel like we understand the problem better. But have we really changed anything? Are we laughing with the truth or just using humor as a shield? On one hand, comedy can raise awareness. It sparks discussion and can slowly change the way people think. When we laugh at satire, we are not just entertained, we are also reflecting. In that sense, laughter can be the first step toward engagement. But on the other hand, laughter can also be misleading. It feels productive, but often leads to inaction. We watch a clip mocking politicians, we laugh, we feel informed, and then we move on. In this way, humor can create an illusion of engagement. It makes us feel like we are confronting reality when we are actually avoiding it. So laughter is a strange thing. It reveals uncomfortable truths, but at the same time softens them. It makes those truths easier to talk about, but also easier to ignore. In other words, laughter is both a bridge and a barrier. It can bring us closer to reality or keep us at a comfortable distance.
So humor sits in a strange place between honesty and avoidance. It exposes uncomfortable truths, but also gives us a way to laugh and move on.
And maybe the real question isn't why we laugh, it's what we do after we laugh.